morning, students. Our next concept is coefficient of a particular power of x in the binomial expansion. I'll explain this concept with example. Say, find the coefficient of x to the power 6 into y cube in the expansion of x plus 2y to the power 9. See, suppose 2ax square is there. What is coefficient of x square here? Coefficient of x square is 2a. That means term with respect to x square, we called it as coefficient. Okay. For example, see what's the coefficient of a here? Coefficient of a means term with the a, that is 2x square. Or coefficient of 2. Coefficient of 2 means a and x square. Similarly, in the expansion of x plus 2y to the power 9, while expanding, you will get x to the power 6 into y cube. But with respect to x to the power 6 into y cube, we need to find the coefficient term with the x to the power 6 and y cube you need to calculate. Okay, that's the meaning of coefficient of a particular power of x in the binomial expansion. That means in the given binomial expansion. See, to solve these problems, to solve this type of problems, first we need to assume x to the power 6 into y cube occurs in the r plus 1th term of the expansion of x plus 2y to the power 9. That means you are saying that x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 occurs in r plus 1th term. What is r plus 1th term? R plus 1th term is nothing but general term. You are saying that in the general term this power occurs. So in the next step we need to calculate the general term. For that reason, see, x equal to x, a value, second term a is equal to 2y and index n equal to 9 is there. In the next step, write the general term formula. Tr plus 1 equal to ncr into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. Take it as equation 1. Now see, here r value is not given. You need to take it as r itself. First term value is there, second term value is there, and n value also there. But r value is not given. So you need to keep r as r itself. Okay. In the next step, substitute given values in this equation. So tr plus 1 equal to ncr, that is 9cr into x to the power n minus r, x to the power 9 minus r into a to the power r, that is 2y to the power r. Next step, simplify. Tr plus 1 equal to 9cr into x to the power 9 minus r into, here you will get 2 to the power r into y to the power r. Okay. So after simplifying this one, now observe the given question. Given question is coefficient of x to the power 6 into y cube. Now see, in the general term x is there, y is there. In the question also x is there, y is there. So in the next step, compare given question with the general term. Okay, comparing. Okay, see, I will write x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 equal to, here what is there, x to the power 9 minus r into y to the power r is there. Clear what I am doing? You need to compare given question with the general term. Here I am comparing, here I am considering x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 equal to x to the power, here 9 minus r is there, into y to the power r. I am taking only two term, right, x and y. Here also you need to take x and y in the general term. Okay. Now see, equal is there, a to the power m into b to the power n equal to c to the power n into d to the power n. That implies x to the power 6 equal to x to the power 9 minus r and y to the power 3 equal to y to the power r. You can solve any one of the equation, that time you will get R value. Okay, see here 9 minus R equal to 6. Yes or no? A to the power m into a to the power n, that implies m equal to n, right? So to here see equal is there, bases are equal means then powers also equal. That is this implies 9 minus 6 equal to R, that is R value equal to 3. Or see directly comparing y also you will get R value equal to 3. No need to do this step. By observing here you can directly say that compare y and y, R value equal to 3. You can directly write in this problem. Now see R value is there. Substitute this R value in equation star. Substituting R equal to 3 in equation star. Okay, what you will get? T 3 plus 1 equal to, in place of R you need to substitute 3, 9c3 into x to the power 9 minus 3 into 2 to the power 3 into y to the power 3. Simplify T4 equal to 9c3 into 2 to the power 3 into x to the power 6 into y to the power 3. What's the question? Question is coefficient of x to the power 6 into y to the power 3. We know by this you can say that x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 occurs in fourth term, T4. In the fourth term, you will get x to the power 6 into y to the power 3. What is the coefficient of x to the power 6 into y to the power 3? Coefficient means terms associated with x to the power 6 into y to the power 3. That is these two terms, right? So here I'll write here term here coefficient of x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 equal to 9c3 into 2 to the power 3. It's equal to, how to calculate 9c3? 9 into 8 into 7 by 3 into 2 into 1. 2 cube is 8. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 4s are 8, then 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. 4 threes are 12 into 8 into 7. If you simplify this one, you will get 672. Therefore, coefficient of x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 is 672. Okay. Once again, see, to solve these types of question, first you are assuming given term x to the power 6 into y to the power 3 occurs in the general term. Next, write the formula of general term. Substitute x value, a value, n value, you will get one equation. In the next step, compare given question with the general term. Okay, comparing that time you will get R value. Again substitute R value in equation, that is in the general term equation. Simplify, then according to the question write the coefficients. Okay, see the next problem. Find the term containing x to the power minus 4 in the expansion of root x minus 2 by x into root x to the power 12. Question is same. You need to calculate coefficient of x to the power minus 4. Now you know, right, which term you need to compare with general term? X to the power minus 4. Okay. First, x is equal to root x. We know root x equal to x to the power 1 by 2. And a value equal to minus 2 into x root x. This implies a value is equal to minus 2 into, see, 1 by x into x to the power 1 by 2. Right? Keeping minus 2 outside, root x means x to the power 1 by 2. That is a equal to minus 2 by x to the power 1 into x to the power 1 by 2. It's equal to x to the power 3 by 2. A to the power m into a to the power n formula. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2 into, take 1 by x to the power 3 by 2 numerator, you will get x to the power minus 3 by 2. If you simplify here only, then it's easy to substitute. Otherwise, after substituting in the formula, you need to simplify. Okay, now assume x to the power minus 4 occurs in r plus 1th term of the expansion, given expansion root x minus 2 by x into root x to the power 12. Okay. Next, what you have to do? You need to write the general term formula. Tr plus 1 equal to ncr into x to the power n minus r into a to the power r. That is, what's the formula? Tr plus 1 equal to, that is, what's the value? Tr plus 1 equal to n 12. See, r value we don't know. We need to calculate that one, right? By comparing with general term. 12 cr into x. X means here I wrote, right? X to the power 1 by 2 to the power n minus r, that is 12 minus r into a value is minus 2x to the power minus 3 by 2 to the power r. Okay. In the next step, see, tr plus 1 equal to 12 cr into x to the power, multiply what you will get, 12 minus r by 2. Yes or no? X to the power 1 by 2 into 12 minus r is x to the power 12 minus r by 2 into, here see, minus 2 to the power r into x to the power minus 3r by 2. Okay, clear? I'm just multiplying my x to the power minus 3 by 2 into r is x to the power minus 3r by 2. In the next step, see, tr plus 1 equal to 12cr into x to the power 12 minus r by 2 into x to the power minus 3r by 2 into minus 2 to the power r. Now multiply these two terms. See, x to the power 12 minus r by 2 into x to the power minus 3r by 2. Okay, then multiplying you will get x to the power 12 minus r by 2 minus 3r by 2. This is equal to x to the power, if you simplify this one, see, 12 minus r by 2 minus 3r by 2, that is 12 minus 4r divided by 2. Denominator same means you can directly add, right? 12 minus r minus 3r, it is 12 minus 4r by 2. Okay, so here I'll write tr plus 1 equal to 12cr into x to the power, how much you'll get? 12 minus 4r divided by 2 into minus 2 to the power r. Take it as equation star. Okay. Next, comparing given question. What's a given question? X to the power minus 4 equal to, here you need to take x to the power only, right? Because you are comparing power of x only. So take the power of x only in the general term. Here x to the power 12 minus 4r divided by 2. Bases are equal. See, two terms are equal and their bases are equal. That time powers also equal. This implies minus 4 equal to 12 minus 4r divided by 2. This implies 4 to the minus 8. Minus is there, right? Minus 8 equal to 12 minus 4r. Okay. 4r equal to, take 8 here, you will get 12 plus 8. It's equal to 20. This implies r value equal to 5. Now substitute r value equal to 5 in equation 1. Substituting in equation star, t r value is 5 plus 1 equal to 12c5 into x to the power 12 minus 20 divided by 2 into minus 2 to the power 5. So T6 in the sixth term, see, you will get x to the power minus 4, right? 12 minus 20 is minus 8. Minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. So x to the power minus 4 into minus 2 to the power 5, you can write as minus 1 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5. Okay. So in the next step, see, T6 equal to minus 1 to the power 5 is minus 12c5 into x to the power, here 2 to the power 5 into x to the power minus 4. What is coefficient of x to the power minus 4? Term with x to the power minus 4 is coefficient of x to the power minus 4 equal to minus, don't skip minus, here you need to write minus. Okay, minus is there, minus 12c5 into 2 to the power 5. Okay, if possible simplify this one and calculate the values, but you need to put minus because while calculating also you'll getting minus. Okay,